Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to JM Publishers. I am your teacher Zathir Fatma and the book which we are doing Maths of Nursery.
Dear students, welcome to your maths activity time. Let's start. Look here, my dear kids. My dear students, can you count these balloons with me? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. There are 18 balloons. Now circle the number 18 in the box. Very good. Now look here. Let's count these balls together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16 and 17. So, circle the number 17. Very good. Students, अब हम चलते हैं अपनी सेकंड एक्टिविटी की तरफ. पेज नंबर 31 पर circle the 17 mangoes. Here we have strawberries and mangoes. Let's find and circle only the 17 mangoes. Count carefully and circle 17 mangoes. Excellent. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So, circle this mango. Dear students, अब हम चलते हैं अपनी लास्ट एंड थर्ड एक्टिविटी की तरफ. Now it's time to write. Let's trace and write. Say it while you write. 1, 7, 17. Very good. Now trace the number 18. 1, 8, 18. Very nice, students. You have learned to count, circle, and write number 17 and 18.